Molly, don't act like that. Look at me.
We're heading to
Let's
Massachusetts.
actually talk. Is that all right? Thank you. And so, how are you? Good. And what are you drinking? I would like to get you a drink.
Just Worcester, Massachusetts.
But I thought, just get stiff and you're ready to go. People always ask me too, they're like, is it hard having, twins of your age? Because my boys are 2 now.
Let me see your smile. Let me see that smile because you're in Maine. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah, there it goes. All right, we made it to our hotel in Maine. Look, Mirror.
The basketball court.
Can I go? We gotta check in. All right, so they just went to go check into our room. We like residence in because it's like your own little apartment. You got a kitchen, a little living room, got the bed. So we like the residence in. We're next to a shopping complex, so that's good. It looks like I had a grocery store, liquor store, some other stuff. We're near a museum, so we'll be finding some stuff to do. We're gonna go tour lighthouses and all kind of stuff. So y'all will come along for all of the fun for our first road trip in 2026. I'm so excited we made it to Maine. I'm excited to see what Maine has to offer. The kids are here. It's just like a nice family experience. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow. Leave me comments down below because we're going to continue on with these videos as the days go on, and I'm excited. We're all excited. It was a nice 3-hour ride. We had a little bit of traffic, but it was fun. Really, really fun. Nice music, nice vibes. I am really tired, but I kind of want to go to Walmart and do like a little mini shopping haul, and get some I want to get like a skillet so I can make some sausage in the morning, some pancakes. I know there's probably not an oven in there, but I know there's most definitely a little stove, and we got a refrigerator and all that stuff. So I want to go to Walmart and get some stuff, pizza rolls and all that stuff the kids like to eat, noodles, get some bowls, them little 50-cent bowls. And the good thing is we drove our vehicle up here, so we can take all of that stuff back if we need to. I kind of want to get that stuff before I get too tired and just want to sit in the room and chill out. Amir took a 2-hour nap, so he's going to be ready to go. We're all going to be hanging on by a thread, and Amir's going to be ready to go. But he's already asking to go play basketball. But we're all really excited, so we're just going to make the best of this time. And we're excited to bring y'all along with us. So, again, subscribe, follow, give the video a heart, thumbs up, whatever you need to do, wherever you're watching this at, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. I started posting on Snapchat. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all's enjoying so far. Come along with the Freeman family and come vibe. All right, this is our little complimentary bag. We got some Lay's chips. Ooh, I love Lorna Doone. And some water. And they also said that we got a heated pool and free breakfast from 6 to 9. Free. Oh, perfect. As soon as we walk in, so we're right next to the main office, and we're right here as soon as we come in. This is amazing. Come on, Bruce.
Oh, America like this.
Oh, she's smelling already. Oh, she dropped everything. What is it? Craig said drop everything. Somebody's in trouble. Oh, thank you.
We have a scrub mommy.
Who?
A scrub mommy.
Ooh, okay. Sectional.
If I had this if I had this washing the dishes, I'll wash the dishes every day.
Got our fridge and our stove. You're gonna get a little skillet. A microwave, a dishwasher. Oh, she's so cute. Our dinner table. I'm gonna be living here for the next week. Our desk. Me and Daddy's bed.
You guys bet.
This is me and Daddy's bed. Let's get the not the hand sanitizer. What's it called? The Lysol out and get ready to spray it on up. Okay, closet.
Our car is literally right there.
Bathroom. Tub. Shower. Toilet paper. Thank goodness, because the last hotel, the toilet paper was all the way in the back. Like that shower head. It's clean. 2 towels. We need some more towels. 3 towels. Why would I give only 3 towels?
You get one side and America gets the other side.
What? There's a bed in there.
It is, yeah. So America get like right there.
I don't know what's in there. In car. There I found a secret closet. No, don't do that to my baby. Watch out. You're my baby too, but don't do that. Hey girl. All right, let's spray. All right, I'll get everything set up in here. Y'all have fun.
I'll be back, Mom.
Let's go real quick.
Put my pillowcases on here too.
Hold on, America. Sure. Oh, you stay right there.
All right. I want to spray these chairs down.
Why you want to put it?
And when y'all eating these chairs, we're gonna put something over it so you guys don't get anything on them, okay?
Table?
No, I'm gonna wipe. You wanna wipe the table for Mom?
No.
Why? Here,
No.
give it a nice wipe.
No, you did. I'm allergic to that.
Right.
So,
Gotta spray light switches, handles. Refrigerator, got it, baby.
don't forget her phone's right there.
Sorry, I can use a little spray. What's so funny?
She's trying to take the car.
The key card?
Yeah, she has the car.
Say something. The recording.
If anybody said anything, just your facial expressions, you can't hold it. But you pocket it, unless you came in smiling like that.
I wasn't even smelling. I was like,
Are you going with? Are you standing there? Come on, boy.
She just wanna be on that iPad. You should make her go out. This stuff, Mary. Come on, TikTok girl.